Today, we're gonna dig a valve box by hand. We've got a valve box to dig over here. The reason we're digging it by hand is because we've got electrical lines, we've got other irrigation wire, we got this other wire that runs to a gate and some cameras, kind of covered up, other irrigation in there. Can't use the trencher for the little machine. So, what's the only other way you can do it? You gotta dig it by hand. Have it. Hit this side a little deeper, tie in the main line there. I'm gonna splice these wires, set a valve there. Not too shabby.